Welcome to my channel Omer Bhatt, and in this video I will show you that how to check PHP version of your WordPress website. So you can see I have opened the dashboard of one of my websites. This is learneasycode.com. So for instance, if I want to check the PHP version of this WordPress website, there are two methods that I can use. First method, I can go to Tools and Site Health. And here you can see once it open, let me show you. It's showing the status tab, Site Health status tab, and here you can see different status. And here we can see Info. In Info tab, you can see here Server. So if you click on Server, here you can see PHP version 8.1.21 that supports 64-bit values. So there you can see different values of the server, and one of them is PHP version. So this is the easy method you can use to check the PHP version of your WordPress website. Now the second method you can use, like right now if you go to dashboard, at a glance showing 5 posts, 30 pages and WordPress 6.4.2 running Digicall theme. This is at a glance showing. But if I go to plugin section and add a new plugin, and here we will type display PHP version. So if I install this plugin, this is by David GWYER, displays the currently installed PHP or MySQL version in the at a glance admin dashboard widget. So what you will do, you will install the plugin and activate it. So once we have activated it, the plugin is activated. Okay, see plugin activated. Now if I go back to the dashboard of my website and if I scroll down, and at a glance, now you can see server running PHP version 8.1.21, and it is also showing MySQL version. So this is the second method we can use to check the PHP version of our WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.